έτσι.
Έχει, ναι.
Ναι, πώς το έφερα.
Μύρισε.
Για να το φέρω. Ναι, ναι. Αχ, μ' αρέσει, Αχ, αμμονία.
No good, huh? No drink.
No drink, no drink is not here. This is like water, but it is AD blue, ammonia. This is laser. Strong point is engine 7.4 liters, Agco power engine with ACR third generation. Transmission is a Dyna 4, we have also Dyna VT with a variable continuous speed, but this is Dyna 6 semi-power shift transmission with 6 gears under load plus 4 different range. In particular, this machine is one of the most popular in Italy machine because we have heavy duty final reduction. It means more reliability, more power, and in the end the possibility to install in the machine is big tire, 2.05 meter diameter. In this way we have bigger print traction, more traction, and so more productivity for the final customer. Machine has mother regulation air brakes, mother regulation linkage, maximum speed 50 kph. Maximum capacity in the rear hitch is around 10 tons capacity.